Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by launching Qgis and making sure your internet is working. That's critical because map tiles download on demand. Once done, open Plugin Manager and install Quick Map Services or prepare an XYZ tile connection for OpenStreetMap. Make sure the project CRS is EPSC 3857 for tile compatibility, then show the browser panel. Now, add a base layer. With Quick Map Services, search OpenStreetMap or create an XYZ URL and click Add. This gives you immediate, slippy OSM tiles to work with. Once the base tiles are visible, you may need vector features. That's where OpenStreetMap data comes in. Use vector right arrow OpenStreetMap, right arrow download data to fetch a bounding box, or run Quick OSM to query specific tags like highway, building, or amenity. This returns editable vector layers. Make sure you transform imported layers to the project CRS so alignment stays correct. Then apply simple symbology and put base tiles underneath. Doing this lets you analyze and edit OSM-derived. Finally, save your QGIS project and export what you need, a PNG, PDF layout, or geo package for vectors, so your work persists. If you anticipate offline work, enable tile caching or use downloaded vector exports to avoid missing base maps. Always include OpenStreetMap attribution on exported maps. If something goes wrong, check the tile URL, plugin status, and any proxy or firewall settings. Often an update or toggling the plugin off and on will restore connectivity and fix missing tiles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.